This is the higher, and when you turn it on, you see it flickering? So if your screen does this, keep watching the video. This is a 32-inch TFT-LCD color television receiver. Model is l32b1120. So, the beauty of the cheap TVs is they take, since it's made in China, they love screws. So you're going to have to take this screw off here, these here, these down here. You'll have to take the stand off there. There's probably another screw behind it. And then you take the screws off around the edge. And once you get all these screws done, don't worry about taking, if there's any screws here, don't take these off or anything that might be in here. Now let's show you too. So just these screws on the top, take them out. And then I'll show you the next clip. I got all the screws out. No special way to take it off, it just comes up. This is your main board. Break this down. This is part of it. This is your analog VGA. Here's your inverter board for your backlights, which I don't see nothing wrong with him. This is your power supply. And what we're looking for, what you should be looking for, is capacitors like this. This is a capacitor. That's a capacitor. And you see these two right here. If you feel them, watch the good side angle of it. See how they're swelled up? They're peaked at the top. 680 microfarad, 35 volt. These two here are your culprit. Here's the wire, it feeds right into your inverter. So your input voltage from here to the inverter is not being filtered. So that'd be the reason that that's having a problem. So I'm going to get the capacitors and replace these two here and show you that it works. I should add, to pull this out, just lift it straight up. It's not going to be hard. You just apply a little pressure. This has a little tab. You have 4 screws here. You can probably find this board online on eBay. The model number is right there. And if it's not that number, it's this number up here, KB5150. It could be going by a different stuff. There's another number. But seriously, if you have a power supply board and you decide that you can't find the board online, send it to me, I can fix it. Not an issue. Just these 2 capacitors here. Contact me on Facebook at my After Hours page. It'll be a quick fix. Should have them turned around in no time. So when you turn your TV on, after you change the part, the screen will do this. Back to normal. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you get your TV fixed. If you need your board fixed, send it in to me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.